Hello friends, this is Mayank Mittal. Now this is my first off-roading video. I have been out with my cousins and my friend Manish and Ashish. So for the first time we are visiting Shergarh Kila. It's in near Baran. So it's around 60 kilometers from Baran and the road is very awesome here. And you can see the view here, it's very nice. And there is a fort, Shergarh Fort, and there is a Hanuman Mandir here. Actually, quite peaceful here. You can only hear the sound of birds. So we are moving out from Baran. We have started, and this is a over bridge, a round over bridge. There are two, three over bridges actually, and these are very confusing. Almost two, three times I have lost the way before here. So now we are stopping at a petrol pump for refueling because we are not sure if we'll find any petrol pump ahead in the way because there are only villages. So now we have refueled and the road is awesome till yet. Now we will be entering into the villages and we have to be very careful because anyone can be in the middle of the road crossing the road. Oh, here you see. See the view here. There are mustard fields on both sides. Who doesn't like to ride on these roads, these kind of roads? So we have done around 30 kilometers from Baran and here some overbridge construction is going on. So road is like this. So you can have the feel of off-roading here. It's a little patch though. I think good road should be ahead. Let's see. So again we are on a good road and again there are mustard fields on both sides. And now I'm trying to move fast. There are many turns on these roads like this and I'm loving these. Now we are approaching Parvan Nadi. We are on our bridge and here downside the bridge is Parvan Nadi. There is not a lot of water in it, but in the rainy season it's very full. We have done around 50 kilometers till now and now we are on the single road. These are very narrow roads. The field fences on both sides and villages and houses. Now these are heading towards the Shergarh. It's about 10 kilometers from here and for the 10 kilometers the roads are like this only. Now I think we are reaching because there is a giant door here. Let's enter it. This seems another gate. This seems to be a town. पूरा गांव बसा हुआ है. I don't know who was he. He was telling in the Hyderabadi tone. I think we have reached. Which way? Left, right? Let's see. I think this is the way to the Hanuman Mandir. We will be parking our bikes here. So this is the Hanuman Mandir I was telling you about, and this is Parvan Nadi, and the Shergarh Fort is situated on the banks of Parvan Nadi. The view is very beautiful here. Okay, we will take you around the Shergarh Killa now. Come on, let's come with us. There is a Haveli built here, but it doesn't seems to be very old. I don't know if someone lives here now. So finally, I think this is the entrance of the Shergarh Fort.
Oh my god, एक नंबर.
On the entrance, there are two stones kept outside, and the history is written here. The stone is 790 AD old. This fort was named after the Emperor Sher Shah, and the old name of this fort was Koshvardhan. The English name may be the increaser of treasury.
वाओ वाओ वाओ. बाकी ये दीवारें कैसी बनाई होगी उन्होंने? क्या करूँ? अरे ऊपर जाने का रास्ता किधर है? ना सीधे चल रहे हैं हम.
I think there is no one inside this fort except us, and there are many trees and bushes grown inside this. This looks like a forest, but the view is again very beautiful. These are the high walls here. So there is a Baudi here, or you can say an old swimming pool. There should be water here in old times, but it's all covered by trees now. Again, stairs to climb up. I don't know why people want to spoil these walls. I don't know what they got writing their name on these walls. As you can see, there is no one, and my sound is echoing here, and there is some sound of bats in the darkness in those walls. Oh, there are some stairs we can climb. Manish. Total forest. There is no one. The very narrow stairs. It is being said that there are 3 rooms full of dynamites, and there is hidden gold inside those. And this is the gentleman who is telling that story. we don't know if any snake can come out here and come in front of us and say hello.
हेलो सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ने के रास्ते भी तो ब्लॉक हो रहे हैं.
There is no way going there. I'm just finding out. Now returning.
आवाज तो आ रही है ना इधर. इस किले में राजा महाराजा तो नहीं रहते होंगे यार. नहीं रहते थे.
तो कैसे
राजा कौन से रहते थे?
किराए पे देने के लिए बनाओ.
बना देते हैं यार.
मेरी बात सुनना, इस किले की बहुत बड़ी कहानी, इसमें बड़ियों के राजाओं ने राज किया है.
Again, gentleman with a story.
मेरी बात सुनना,
बोलो.
इस किले पे अपने महाराज उमेश सिंह जी थे, जो अपने कोटा के रहने वाले थे. तो उन्होंने अपने आपके अग्रवाल समाज में कौन से हैं? अग्रसेन जी का कोई सेवक था. इसकी हिस्ट्री पढ़ रखी है मैंने. दामोदर जी ने इसको, मतलब दामोदर जी को यहाँ पे वो रखा गया, जैसे ग्राम सेवक रखते थे ना ऐसे अपने हर किले पे. मेरे को पीए, हाँ पीए, हाँ, तो उन्होंने पीए रखे यहाँ पे दामोदर जी.
Okay, that's it guys. This was my first riding video. I'll be uploading more riding videos in the future if your support is with me. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below the red button. Just click on it. And yes, you will be watching more off-roading videos, more riding videos with me. Always ride with the gear, always use helmet, and tata bye bye, see you later.